What to do if you got a sewing machine for the holidays. The holidays are now over and some of you got a new sewing machine. For many, this is your first machine. If you're one of those people, I'm going to share with you what to do next, especially what to do if the machine doesn't make you excited to get going. Make sure you stick around to the end for my bonus tip. Hi, I'm Linda Johnson from Coffee First Quilt Crew. I've been quilting for over 20 years. Let me help you on your quilting journey. Having a machine gifted can be stressful. For some, all the choice has been taken away, which is good, but for others, that choice was what mattered the most. Let's talk about it. Cheap machines. If you've been looking for a sewing machine, you may have discovered that really inexpensive machines, usually $125 and under, are just that, cheap. The really unfortunate part about these machines is they are full of plastic gears and other parts that cannot be fixed. These machines are as good as landfill. You require more bells and whistles. If you've taken the time to research machines, you may not want a beginner machine, even if you are just starting out. You want a more robust machine that will grow with you as you expand your skill set. You know that the machine is a dud. You have done the research and you know the reviews on this machine are bad. You are surprised that your gifter didn't know this. You don't want to hurt people's feelings. You need to tell your gifter that the machine simply isn't for you. It doesn't matter your reasons for disliking the machine. The important thing is that you get a machine that will work for you. There's nothing worse than fighting with a sewing machine. Trust me, I have been there, and I was never more excited when I used that machine as a trade-in on the machine I truly wanted. I am happily sewing on that machine 8 years later. You wish it was a gift card instead. You are thinking, why did they not buy me a gift card? It can't be returned. If the machine cannot be returned, you can try and hope that it works for now. When you have had enough of it, you can use it as a trade-in on your new machine. Most dealers will take trade-ins depending on the machine. An alternative is to sell it on Facebook Marketplace or other site. Be careful using these sites and meet the person in a busy place like a coffee shop. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. It really makes a big difference. In addition to posting videos, I also send out a weekly email on all things quilting, including tips, tutorials, product reviews, and more. Check out the description for the link to join today. Since you stuck around to the end, I have one last tip to share. If you haven't already, Google sewing machine dealers near me. This will tell you if you have any dealers nearby. It is best to purchase from an in-person dealer if possible. This way you can have them recommend machines for you based on your needs and your budget. The best part about working with an in-person dealer is they often have machines in stock that were used as trade-ins. Those trade-ins have been serviced and are ready to be sold at a price substantially below MSRP. This is a great way to get more machine for your buck. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching.